The TECHAGRO, Silva Regina and Biomass trade fairs have been held at the Brno Trade Fair Grounds for over 20 years. This year, not only did it attract over 700 exhibitors from 40 countries, but also 110,000 visitors. This confirmed its status as the largest agriculture and forestry trade fair in Central Europe. The popular manufacturer of small tractors, Šálek, could not be missing from such a successful international event. The company Šálek is based in the heart of the Haná region in the town of Prostějov. Small tractors from Prostějov have had a tradition not only in the Czech Republic but also in Europe for over 50 years. Both the basic power units and the wide range of work tools in Šálek's small tractors can be used especially where there is a need for user-friendliness, flexibility, economical operation, and above all, wherever it is not cost-efficient to use a large-wheeled tractor. We're a small company based in Prostějov in the Haná region of Moravia. We manufacture small mechanized equipment, which means small tractors and their accessories such as mulchers, trailers, plows and such like. Our products are designed especially for small-scale farmers and mayors for council maintenance.
Tady tento malotraktor, u koho stojíme, jedná se o kabinkový čtyřkolý univerzální traktor.
You can see here a cabin, four-wheeled universal model of a small tractor with an atmospheric engine with an output of 47 horsepower and four-wheel drive. The tractor is extremely universal and is suitable for municipal services, forestry production and agricultural production, so with a really wide range of uses.
Takže opravdu to uplatnění je opravdu široké.
Dovolte mi, abych vám představil Vegu.
Let me introduce you to one of our flagships, the cabin tractor Vega Excellent. It's a cabin tractor with an output of between 42 and 50 horsepower. The advantage of the Vega Excellent is that it is user-friendly while also offering the option to install a forestry expansion in the form of a safety frame, making it easy to use in a forest environment. The tractor can be used all year round since it comes with a heated cabin. This model is the Cabrio Excellent, which is a tractor with front control and four-wheel drive. The tractor can manage any terrain due to the front and rear differential lock. This particular model is designed for the African market, where it is used especially on rice fields and when treating the soil.
Takže malotraktor Vineyard 30 HP Comfort vyznačuje se tím, že je kloubou.
The small tractor Vineyard 30 HP Comfort is one of the articulated series of small tractors.
Kde je dvouválcový vzduchem chlazený motor.
It's one of the lowest powered series of small tractors with a twin-cylinder engine. It's most suited to market gardeners, small-scale winemakers, or for cultivating smaller areas. It's one of the most affordable models.
Tam, kde je náročnost na poloměr zatáčení.
We congratulate on their excellent presentation at the International Trade Fair, and we wish them much success in business in the future.